Hi everybody, this is your physical science teacher, Mr. Walker, and we are starting on electricity. Man, is this something you should know. I would love to have some of you become electricians. You make $25, $30, $40, $50 an hour. It's a great occupation. It's a terrific way to make a living, and I wish some of you would go into that. Gateway College has got some great courses on electricity and can help out. Anyway, electricity. So we're going to talk about the basics here, and it is something that I know quite a bit about. And as you know, I had a solar company, and we transformed solar energy into electricity. And so anyway, and I'll get to that at a future one. Okay, so electricity. Everything in the world is made up of atoms. Each atom has smaller parts in it. One of those parts are called electrons. Electrons can move from atom to atom. When an electron moves to a different atom, it causes another electron to have to move also. When electrons move quickly from one atom to another, it is called electricity, and it creates a lot of power. Okay, so there's a light bulb. Okay, a charge is a measure of extra positive or negative particles that an object has. Okay, inside an atom, electrons have a negative charge and protons have a positive charge. See how much chemistry and physical science all mean so much to each other? If you have a pretty good knowledge of some of the chemical things that make up our world and matter, it's so helpful. And so anyway, protons and electrons. Electrons have a negative charge, protons have a positive charge. These particles attract each other. Okay? Static electricity. Static electricity is a charge that stays on an object. Wow. That looks like, who does that look like? Oh my gosh. I think that looks like Mr. Pigeon. No, it's not Mr. Pigeon. No. Could be. He has hair. Alright, just kidding. Unlike charges like protons and electrons attract each other, and like charges repel each other. Okay, so two positive protons would repel each other, but a positive proton and a negative electron would attract each other. So here is what? There's a steady flow of electricity called electric current. A current will move along a wire or a path called a circuit. And you've heard this before here. Okay? A steady flow of electricity is called an electric current. A current will move along a wire or a path called a circuit. Circuit means to go around. Circuits. We'll learn about different circuits. A series circuit is a circuit that has only one path for the current, and that would be like what your phone has. It has a direct series circuit. A parallel circuit has more than one path for current to travel, like your house or the school. It has to have more than one path. What happens if you cut the wire for one path? Then we'd lose all power in the school. No, don't do that. But a parallel circuit is one that has more than one path for current to travel, like your home, like businesses, like a school. Lights in our homes are wired in parallel circuits. A conductor. What is a conductor? He organizes an orchestra? No. In this particular case, a conductor is a material that current can pass through easily, like metals, okay, copper, aluminum, gold, silver. All those metals conduct, okay, electrical current really well. They're called conductors. What's in the resistor? A resistor is a material that resists. It doesn't stop the flow of current. It just limits. Okay, it just limits the flow. Let me see if that. Okay, it doesn't stop the flow of current, but what it does is that it limits the flow of current. And then we have Insulators are like the rubber around a copper wire. So when you plug it into the wall, you don't get shocked, right? An insulator is a material that the current cannot pass through easily, like plastic or rubber. Okay? An electric cell supplies energy to move charges through a circuit like a battery. Okay? Makes sense? Okay, that's our presentation on basic electricity. And we're going to do a lot more on electricity. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.